Most big corporate HVAC companies are running a $25 tune-up special right now. Here's the hard truth. That price doesn't even cover sending a qualified technician to your house. So what are they even selling? They're not selling maintenance. They're buying an opportunity to pressure you into a full system replacement you probably don't need yet. At Comfort Solutions, our AC tune-up is not $25. Our AC tune-up is $125. Our tune-up is a real, comprehensive service because we're not in the replacement quota business. We're in the keeping your system running efficiently and honestly business. No loss leader games, no commission-driven scare tactics, just straight diagnostics, proper maintenance, and recommendations that actually serve. If you want maintenance that actually maintains, instead of a sales pitch disguised as a deal, call us. We'll tell you the truth about your system's condition. No pressure.